Hey guys, welcome into Love and Lights. I hope all is well. I hope you guys are doing amazing. I'm here with the general reading. Please be sure to take what resonates and leave the rest. If it does not fit, please do not force it. As always, I want to thank you guys for your love, your support, your time, as well as your presence. There's something here about transformation. There's something here about butterfly. Butterfly. There's a particular, there could be something here about your uniqueness. Because butterflies are unique. They're one of a kind. I'm speaking to a one of a kind. You're one of a kind. At least that's how someone feels. Someone feels you're one of a kind. All right. You could be being recognized or acknowledged as one of a kind. Okay. We have the energy of the Hierophant. And we have sacrifice. Let's see here. Let's see here. Let me take some water. I was hearing, all I want to do is run my zoom, 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 and your boom, boom. Just shake your up. Teddy Riley. Anyway, so this reading explores the sacrifices you've made emotionally, energetically, and relationally, and how those sacrifices are now transforming into alignment, recognition, and forward movement. So, pretty much this is about choosing what and who is worth your energy and releasing what no longer deserves your devotion. Okay. And we have the angel of mercy, the angel of forgiveness, joining in your reading. Also known as the angel of reconciliation and softened karma. Okay, so this is telling me that your sacrifices are being acknowledged and spiritually compensated. You're being guided toward peace and not resentment. You're receiving mercy. Yeah, you're receiving mercy where you once carried burden. Being released from karmic debts or emotional obligations, and being supported in choosing love without self-abandonment. And the angel's presence here is the kind that heals what sacrifice once strained. Okay, so this is like bringing gentle restoration here. Starting out with the Six of Wands, the sacrifice that leads to victory. So you've been pushing, you've been showing up, you've been doing the work, often without applause. This card shows that your sacrifices are finally being recognized and you're stepping into a moment of validation, success, visibility, acknowledgement. And I guess that's why I was picking up in the beginning, like you're one of a kind. So this is like ensuring that your efforts are not wasted. So this Four of Cups energy, the emotional cost, this is the part of sacrifice that feels heavy. You've given so much that you may feel drained. You may feel unimpressed. Uh, you could feel emotionally flat. Okay, like disconnected from joy here, detached. This card shows the emotional fatigue that comes from carrying too much for too long. Okay, and the Nine of Wands lets me know this is the wounded warrior. You've been resilient, but you were tired. This is the card of perseverance, boundaries, exhaustion, standing guard over your energy. You sacrificed your peace to maintain something, whether it's a relationship, a dream, a responsibility. Two of Cups here, the sacred exchange. This is where sacrifice becomes connection. A relationship, a partnership, or emotional bond is being highlighted here. This card shows mutual support, emotional reciprocity, shared understanding, healing through connection. It brings reconciliation, harmony, and heart-centered clarity. Yeah, because you've been juggling a lot, too much. This card reveals the sacrifices made in trying to keep everything afloat. Okay, whether it's time, energy, emotional bandwidth, responsibilities. This is the moment where you decide what stays and what goes. And it's by doing so, it helps you to choose balance over burnout. Okay, and I feel like the breakthrough here is the Chariot. This is forward movement, determination, and victory after struggle. Um, it shows that your sacrifices are leading to momentum, it's leading to direction, clarity, right? This is triumph. This is the moment you reclaim control of your path. So yeah, you sacrificed a lot here. Your energy, your time, your emotional capacity. And you're moving from recognition through emotional fatigue into resilience, connection, balance, and finally, I would say empowered movement here. Being guided toward peace. I feel like the challenge was with this Four of Cups and this Nine of Wands, emotional exhaustion and the feeling of carrying too much alone, the weight of sacrifice without immediate reward. So yeah, I mean, accept the recognition coming your way. Acknowledge your emotional fatigue without judgment. I would say continue to protect your energy and set boundaries. And lean into those relationships that offers reciprocity. Stop juggling what drains you and move forward with intention and confidence. Your sacrifices are seen, your heart will be restored. You're stepping out of sacrifice into alignment and being guided toward emotional renewal, balanced connections, and a victorious new chapter where your efforts finally match your rewards. Congratulations. Sending you love and light.